Hello everyone. Today we're going to make something called a pizza casserole. Instead of using bread, we're going to use pasta. I had some of this on hand, so this is the one we're using. So first, let's make some pasta. Cook as directed. In making this dish, I would recommend fresh ground beef. Season it to your taste. Prepare it ahead of time. Or you could use ground chicken. In this case, Publix had these beef meatballs on sale, buy one, get one. So I pulled them out of the freezer and cut them up into little pieces. I'm going to use these beef meatballs instead of fresh ground beef. When preparing the sauce, make sure to get a jar of tomato sauce that does not have all of the chemicals in it. This one here starts out with plum tomatoes, olive oil, onions, garlic, basil, sea salt, and some spices. If you buy a jar of tomato sauce and it starts out with tomato puree or tomato paste or crushed tomatoes, don't buy it. Read the ingredients and try to eat healthy. You want to heat your tomato sauce up on medium to low heat. The reason why we're going to do this is because we're going to add a little ricotta cheese into the tomato sauce. Let's spoon in a little ricotta cheese. This is a 15-ounce container. I'm going to use about half of that. Let that heat up over medium-low heat for a few minutes only. Let's start by putting in our pasta at the base. Now we want to add in our meat. Let's add some vegetables. I have some finely chopped bell peppers, a chopped onion, about a half a white onion. Let's add our sauce. Let's add a layer of cheese. I would normally recommend mozzarella cheese at this point. However, I happen to have some Mexican style cheese on hand, so I'm going to use that. But mozzarella cheese is just fine. When adding cheese, you can add as much cheese as you want. This is the amount I'm using. It's about a cup. Now for the pepperonis. Okay, it's ready to go in the oven. Or if you're like me, you can add a little bit of seasoning to the top of it. I'm going to add in a little bit of Italian seasoning, some oregano, onion salt. Be careful how much salt you put on here because most of the ingredients are full of salt already, and some black pepper. For fun, I'm going to add a few fresh tomatoes on top. This is ready to go into the oven, 375 for about 30 minutes. And then she'll be ready to eat. Okay, it's time to eat. There is our pizza casserole. Let's dish it up and see what it tastes like. Certainly smells good. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Okay? Bye-bye.